Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the T-Mobile app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your password on the T-Mobile app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the T-Mobile app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on Manage. Now, from this option here, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon on the upper right-hand corner. Now, once you've done so, you want to go ahead and click on Security next. Next, click on T-Mobile ID. Now, from this option here, you want to go ahead and click on the downward arrow where it says password. So it's a magenta downward arrow. So from here, you do have to actually go ahead and enter your old password, then enter a new password, and then re-enter another new password. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your password on the T-Mobile app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next